Adness TV, The Elephant and the Sparrow. A tale of kindness in the forest. Once upon a time, in a vast and vibrant forest, there lived an elephant named Elara. She was graceful yet mighty, with a heart as large as her frame. Elara roamed the forest with gentle steps, her presence commanding respect from all the creatures that dwelled within. One sunny morning, as Elara was making her way through the forest, she noticed a tiny sparrow named Sparrow fluttering anxiously nearby. Sparrow seemed troubled, his feathers ruffled and eyes filled with worry. Concerned, Elara approached Sparrow and asked, "What troubles you, little one?" Sparrow sighed, his voice barely a whisper amidst the rustling leaves. "Oh, mighty Elara, I fear for my nest. The fierce winds have torn it apart, and my eggs lie exposed to danger. I am but a small bird, and I do not possess the strength to rebuild it." Elara listened attentively, her kind eyes filled with empathy. Without hesitation, she offered her assistance. "Do not worry, dear Sparrow. I may not be as light as you, but I possess the strength to lift and place branches with precision. Let us work together to rebuild your nest." Grateful beyond words, Sparrow chirped with joy and led Elara to the remnants of his nest. Together they gathered twigs, leaves, and grass, carefully reconstructing the nest with each piece they placed. Elara's trunk delicately held the materials in place, while Sparrow fluttered around, directing her with his keen eyes. As they worked side by side, a bond formed between the unlikely pair. Elara marveled at Sparrow's resilience and determination, while Sparrow admired Elara's unwavering kindness and strength. Finally, after hours of labor, the nest stood tall and sturdy once again, nestled safely amidst the branches of a towering tree. Sparrow hopped inside, inspecting their handiwork with delight. "Thank you, mighty Elara. Thanks to you, my eggs will be safe and warm." Elara smiled warmly, her heart filled with joy. "It was my pleasure, dear Sparrow. Remember, in this vast forest, we are all connected. No matter our size or strength, we can always lend a helping hand to those in need." From that day forward, Elara and Sparrow became the best of friends, their unlikely friendship serving as a reminder that compassion and cooperation know no bounds. And amidst the towering trees and gentle whispers of the forest, their story echoed for generations to come, a testament to the power of kindness and solidarity in a world filled with wonder and magic. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting stories. Thank you.